Eat more cruciferous veggies to slow age-related decline in health. Science has repeatedly proven that food is a profoundly effective medicine that can activate many healthy nuclear transcription factors in your body. Broccoli and other cruciferous vegetables, for example, have been repeatedly shown to be one of nature's most valuable health-promoting foods, capable of preventing a number of common health issues. Cruciferous veggies, which include broccoli, cabbage, collards, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, kale and bok choy, just to name a few, contain several plant compounds that are important for optimal health, including powerful chemoprotective compounds. One of the most well-known of these is sulforaphane, an organic sulfur. Studies have shown sulforaphane supports normal cell function and division while causing apoptosis, programmed cell death, in colon, liver, prostate, breast and tobacco-induced lung cancer. Just 3 servings of broccoli per week may reduce a man's risk of prostate cancer by more than 60%. Sulforaphane may also be helpful in the treatment of breast cancer. When tested in mice and cell cultures, sulforaphane was found to actually target and kill cancer stem cells, thereby preventing the formation and spread of tumors. Another important chemoprotective phytochemical found in cruciferous veggies is indole-3 carbinol, IEC, which in your gut is converted into diindolylmethane, DIM. DIM in turn boosts immune function and, like sulforaphane, plays a role in the prevention and treatment of cancer. How cruciferous vegetables help prevent colon cancer. Recent research has again confirmed the importance of cruciferous vegetables for cancer prevention, in this case colon cancer. Aside from converting to DIM, which has anti-cancer activity, IEC also works by activating a protein called aryl hydrocarbon receptor, AR, which communicates with immune and epithelial cells in your gut lining, thereby helping to reduce inflammation caused by pathogenic bacteria. AR also helps stem cells convert into mucus-producing cells in your gut lining. When you have insufficient amounts of AR, the stem cells end up producing malfunctioning cells that divide in an uncontrolled manner. This abnormal cell division is ultimately what results in abnormal growths that can turn into malignant tumors in your colon. Consumption of cruciferous vegetables essentially helps prevent this chain of events by boosting IEC. Other health benefits of IEC. IEC also has other health benefits. Of the various indoles, IEC and its metabolites are powerful antioxidants. Research has also shown it can help balance both male and female hormones, thereby supporting reproductive health in both sexes. Importantly, DIM has been shown to balance 4-hydroxystrone, an estrogen that can have damaging effects and plays a role in reproductive cancers. In one study, supplementation with IEC at dosages of 200 and 400 mg per day for 3 months reversed early-stage cervical cancer in 8 of 17 women. Other studies suggest IEC works synergistically with the anti-cancer drug tamoxifen to improve outcomes. IEC also supports your liver's detoxification processes, and helps heal liver damage by supporting the reproduction of normal, healthy cells. Cruciferous veggies are an important part of an anti-cancer diet. Sulforaphane is one of several compounds known as isothiocyanates, which have the ability to spark hundreds of genetic changes, activating some genes that fight cancer and switch off others that fuel tumors. According to Olga Esarenko, a scientist at the UC Santa Barbara laboratories, whose research shows how the healing power of these vegetables works at the cellular level. Breast cancer, the second leading cause of cancer deaths in women, can be protected against by eating cruciferous vegetables such as cabbage and near relatives of cabbage such as broccoli and cauliflower. These vegetables contain compounds called isothiocyanates which we believe to be responsible for the cancer preventive and anti-carcinogenic activities in these vegetables. Broccoli, and even more so broccoli sprouts, which typically contain anywhere from 20 to 50 times more chemoprotective compounds than mature broccoli, contain the highest amounts of isothiocyanates. Other vegetables containing isothiocyanates include Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, cabbage, arugula, watercress, horseradish. Other health benefits of cruciferous vegetables. Cancer prevention is not the only health benefit you can reap from eating more cruciferous veggies though. Not by a long shot. These veggies provide dozens of super nutrients that support optimal, body-wide health, including fiber, the anti-cancer compounds sulforaphane and glucoraphanine, anti-inflammatory and free radical quenching phenolic compounds, and immune-boosting DIM. Aside from cancer, These and other compounds found in broccoli and other cruciferous veggies have been shown to lower your risk of obesity. The fiber in cruciferous veggies is broken down into short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, by gut bacteria, and SCFAs have been shown to lessen your risk of inflammatory diseases. Improve type 2 diabetes by reducing glucose production. Sulforaphane also lowers your risk of other health problems associated with type 2 diabetes, such as heart disease and stroke. Support healthy liver function by improving gene expression in your liver. It also lowers your risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Reduce risk of osteoarthritis, in part by blocking enzymes linked to joint destruction. Improve blood pressure in those with hypertension. Improve allergies and asthma by reducing oxidative stress in your airways and countering cell damage caused by pollution and allergens. Improve kidney function and prevent kidney disease by normalizing DNA methylation. DNA methylation also suppresses viral and other disease-related gene expression. DNA methylation plays a role in a number of diseases, including hypertension, kidney function, gut health and cancer. Improve verbal communication and decreasing repetitive behaviors in children with autism. This effect is thought to be related to sulforaphane's ability to trigger a heat shock response, a biological effect that protects cells from stress during a fever. Previous research has shown that, in some autistic people, repetitive behaviors decline during fevers. In this study, 80% of the participants had a history of this fever effect. Positive results from sulforaphane were observed within as little as 4 weeks. Communication improved, as did symptoms of hyperactivity and irritability. By the end of the 18-week study, about 50% of those receiving sulforaphane experienced improved ability to interact socially. Be helpful in the treatment of colitis and leaky gut. Inhibit Helicobacter pylori, H. pylori, the bacteria thought to cause gastric ulcers. H. pylori may also play a role in autism. Gastrointestinal problems are common among autistic children, and those with the worst gastrointestinal issues often have more severe autism. Raise your testosterone level. Inhibit retention of excess body fat. Aid in detoxification of carcinogens. Broccoli sprouts, in particular, have been shown to help detox environmental pollutants such as benzene. This is important for virtually everyone these days, but especially women of childbearing age. Autistic children are known to have higher levels of environmental toxins in their system, and this underlying toxic burden plays a significant role. Protect muscles against exercise-induced damage. Protect against neurodegenerative diseases such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's disease. Promote healthy, beautiful skin, a side effect of improved liver function and detox. The sulforaphane in broccoli also helps repair skin damage. Cruciferous veggies improve arterial suppleness. Another important health benefit of cruciferous vegetables is their heart-healthy influence. One study that examined the effects of vegetable intake on carotid artery measures, which are indicative of arterial health. Narrow, heart arteries restrict blood flow and can lead to heart attack and stroke. Found those who consumed the most cruciferous vegetables had thinner and therefore healthier carotid arteries than those who consumed the fewest. Overall, each 10-gram daily serving of cruciferous vegetables was associated with a 0.8% reduction in carotid artery wall thickness. This link was not found with other types of vegetables. Eat more cruciferous veggies to slow age-related decline in health. Last but certainly not least, cruciferous vegetables have also been shown to slow age-related decline in health by restoring metabolism to more youthful levels. A basic premise of aging is that your cell's ability to produce energy declines over time. Cruciferous vegetables improve your metabolism via an enzyme called nicotinamide mononucleotide, NMN. NMN plays a role in producing nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, NAD, a compound involved in mitochondrial health and energy metabolism. Previous research has shown that, with age, your body loses its capacity to create NAD, result in chronic inflammation. Studies have shown that taking NAD directly is ineffective, however. Taking its precursor, NMN or nicotinamide riboside, NR, has been shown to be far more effective. In fact, when dissolved and administered in water, it takes just 3 minutes for NMN to appear in your blood, and once there, the NMN is quickly converted into NAD in multiple tissues. Other research has shown that when NAD synthesis in fat tissue is defective, metabolic dysfunction occurs throughout your entire body, including your skeletal muscle, heart and liver. When NMN was administered, all of these dysfunctions were reversed. As noted by the authors, that means NAD in adipose tissue is a critical regulator of whole body metabolism. How to maximize health benefits of broccoli. The isothiocyanate sulforaphane is formed when you chop or chew broccoli, as this combines its precursor glucoraphanine with the enzyme myrosinase. Once swallowed, gut bacteria help release some of broccoli's sulforaphane so your body can benefit. Researchers have found one of the best ways to maximize sulforaphane your body can use is to steam it lightly for 3 to 4 minutes until it's tough tender. This is just enough heat to kill the epithiospecifier protein, which attaches to the sulfur and greatly depletes the amount of bioavailable sulforaphane. Do not steam longer than 5 minutes. If you opt for boiling, blanch the broccoli in boiling water for no more than 20 to 30 seconds, then immerse it in cold water to stop the cooking process. Another option is to eat broccoli sprouts. Fresh broccoli sprouts are far more potent than whole broccoli, allowing you to eat far less in terms of quantity. Tests have revealed that 3-day-old broccoli sprouts consistently contain anywhere from 10 to 100 times the amount of glucoraphanine, the precursor to sulforaphane, found in mature broccoli. The sulforaphane in broccoli and other cruciferous veggies will be further augmented if paired with a myrosinase-containing food. Again, myrosinase is the enzyme that converts glucoraphanine to sulforaphane. Myrosinase-rich foods include mustard seed, daikon radishes, wasabi, arugula or coleslaw, with mustard seed being the most potent.